Dear students of class 11 and 12 business studies, welcome back to our new lesson for the subject of accounting second paper from your accounting learning workbook level 2. In the chapter of 4, there is the name of capital of joint stock company. It is also called share issue of company. This is the third lecture for this chapter. This is Mahmoud Hussain, Senior Lecturer, Department of Accounting, English Medium Morning Shift, Rajakottara Model College, Dhaka. Dear students, I think you are ready to take my new lesson for the chapter of share issue. Now you can take your accounting learning work level 2 and open it in the page of share issue, that is chapter 4, and you can take your accounting practice copy in a hurry for writing the question and answer. This is a creative questions also. I have already finished 2 lectures for this chapter. This is the first one for concept of this chapter, and second one a creative question, share premium. Dear students, in the slide and in the content, you are watching at the new math. You can write it in a hurry. I read it. Delta Insurance Company Limited was registered with an authorized capital of Taka 5 lakh divided into 50,000 shares of Taka 10 each. Delta Insurance Company Limited was registered with an authorized capital of Taka 5 lakh divided into 50,000 shares of Taka 10 each. That is, this company's authorized capital is Taka 5 lakh, totally authorized share 50,000, and face value of share of Taka 10 each. But the company issued its 30,000 shares at the rate of 10% discount for allotment. But company only issued 30,000 shares out of 50,000 at 10% discount. Face value of share is Taka 10, but 10% discount for allotment. So 10% discount means 10% on Taka 10, that is Taka 1. This discount Taka 1 per share, and total amount of discount is 30,000 into 1, that is the amount of Taka 30,000. Application for 40,000 shares are received in all, but total application received 40,000. You know, from this transaction you can write the journal entries, out of which 30,000 shares are allotted, and the allotted shares you can take it for share capital and share discount. Excess application money, that is 10,000 shares of excess application money were refunded to the applicants concerned, and company paid Taka 10,000 for issuing of share. That is the issuing of share expenses for bank. Expense of share issuing is to be considered as current year expense. This is the hints also. Expense of share is to be considered as current year expenses. So it is not treated as fictitious asset. It is a regular expenses for this company. From this system, you have to record 3 requirement. Show the journal entries from the above information. Requirement B, show the bank account, prepare a bank account from these transactions. Requirement C, prepare a statement of financial position from this system. Dear students, I think you have written the question in your accounting learning work copy. So we can go for knowing the journal entries. From the first lecture, for helping for recording the journal entries. Issues of shares at a discount. Number 1, an application money received from interested buyer or shareholder. This is the first entry in all level, the same. Bank account debit, share application account credit. Number 2, when share allotted to the share applicants, share application account debit, share discount account debit, share capital account credit. When discount is available in the share issuing, then always share discount account is debited for this transaction, and capital account always to be credited. Number 3, when excess application money returned to the concerned applicants, and these entries same in all level. When share issue of shares at par, at a premium, or at a discount. The same entry is the share application account debit, bank account credit. Or when share allotted to the share applicants and excess application money returned to the concerned applicants. If you want to record the second and third entry, then you can write the journal entries same. Share application account debit, share discount account debit, share capital account credit, bank account credit. I repeat again, share application account debit, share discount account debit, share capital account credit, bank account credit. Number 4, when paid for expense of share issue, that is expense of share issue debit, or preliminary expenses account debit, or underwriter's commission account debit, bank account credit. Dear students, I think you have seen in the content for helping the journal entries when share issues at a discount. Okay, dear students, now you can go for solution this creative question. Delta Insurance Company Limited was registered with an authorized capital of Taka 5 lakh divided into 50,000 shares of Taka 10 each. This is the amount only to be shown in statement of financial position, and this amount to be closed first level of share capital. The company issued its 30,000 shares at a 10% discount for allotment. Company only issued 30,000 shares at 10% discount for allotment. Face value of share of this company is Taka 10, so 10% discount, that is the discount Taka 1 per share of Delta Insurance Company. Application for 40,000 shares were received in all, but company application received 40,000, excess of 10,000. Company issued 30,000 shares, but application received 40,000. So out of which the 30,000 shares are allotted, excess application money were refunded, and company paid Taka 10,000 for issuing of share. Dear students, you can go to the journal entries for requirement A. Totally 5 columns are available in journal entries: date, account title and explanation, reference or laser folio column. Number 4, debit Taka. Number 5, credit Taka. The first entry, when application money received at a discount level, first entry is bank account debit, share application account credit. Bank account debit, share application account credit for Taka 3,60,000. You can see after deducting Taka 1, that is for discount, then you can get it Taka 9 from applicants concerned. Totally 40,000 shares application receipt. So 40,000 into 9, that is the amount of taka 3,60,000 for the first journal. Second one, share allotted only 30,000. So share application account debit, share discount account debit, share capital account credit. Share application for 30,000 into share capital, share application debit, share discount account debit, share capital account credit. Dear students, second journal is share application account debit, share discount account debit, share capital account credit. Share application is debit for 90,000 into 30,000 into 9. 30,000 into 9. Totally you should share 30,000 into 9. That is after deducting discount. So at this moment for the second journal, share application debit 2,70,000 and share discount, that is 30,000 shares issued share into discount per share. Discount per share taka 1. So 30,000 into 1. That is the amount of taka 30,000. So total amount of capital all is to be created issued share and face value of share. So issued share is 30,000 and face value of share taka 10. That is the amount of share capital is to be created for taka 3 lakh. Number 4, when excess application money be funded to the concerned applicants. For this entry you can write the journal entries in all time. Share application account debit, bank account credit. When application receipt, then it is amount of face value of share taka 9 after deducting discount. So access application money taka 10,000 shares and taka 9. So share application is for debited taka 90,000 and also for bank account credit taka 90,000. This entry for application concerned which are refunded. Number 4 in this math, expenses of share issue account debit, bank account credit, because it is treated as current expenses, current year expenses. So you won't write preliminary expenses debit. You have to write expense of share issue, share expenses debit, bank account credit for taka 10,000. As this expenses is to be treated as current year expenses, so this amount is to be transferred to income statement. So this is the last entry for this system or for this theory question. Income statement debit, expenses of share issue credit, taka 10,000. Okay, totally 5 journals are available in this system or in this creative question. I think you have finished requirement A. Now you can go to the requirement B, prepare a bank account. When you are prepared a bank account, ledger account, then all transactions related to journal entries. Now you can take journal entries for posting the bank account. You can see in the first journal, bank account debit, share application account credit for taka 3,60,000. Now you can post it to bank account. In account title column you have to write the opposite account of bank, that is share application. Bank is debited, so the posting amount is debited 3,60,000. At this moment the balance of debit to bank account 3,60,000. In the third entry, share application account debit, bank account credit for taka 90,000. You can see in this entry, share application account debit, bank account credit. So you have to post it in credit column, that is amount of taka 90,000. But in account title column you have to write again share application. So you know when debit balance is available and new posting is available, credit, then it will be deducted from the big amount. So 3,60,000 minus 90,000, that is the amount of taka 2,70,000 at this moment of debit balance of bank account. Another entry is available of bank account. You can go in the journal entries. Number 4, expenses of share issue debit bank account credit, or share issue expenses debit bank account credit, bank credit. So you have to write at first expense of share issue in account title column and amount to be posted in credit column, taka 10,000. And now this amount is to be deducted from the total amount of debit balance 2,70,000. At this moment net amount of debit balance of bank account is taka 2,60,000. 2,60,000. Dear learners, I think you have finished the bank account and journal entries, that is requirement A and B. Now we can go to the requirement C, that is the statement of financial position. Statement of financial position, totally 2 sides are available. First one assets, second one capital and liabilities. So in asset side totally 2 heads are available in this math. The first one current assets, and one item of current assets is available, that is the amount of bank balance. From the requirement B you can take it to 2,60,000. At first you have to write in middle column 2,60,000 and you can take it to total column 2,60,000. Another head is available of asset side, expense not yet expired, that is fictitious asset or other assets. Totally 2 items are available in this head. Number 1, share discount. Share discount is for taka 30,000 in this math. You can take it from the journal. Journal number 2, share discount is amount taka 30,000. At first you have to write in middle column. Another items for expense is not yet expired, that is the amount of fictitious asset or share issue expenses, that is the amount of taka 10,000. But in this head you have to write as debit balance of retained earnings, taka 10,000. So at this moment total amount of expense is not yet expired, taka 40,000 in outer column. Now you can total and grand total of assets taka 2,60,000 plus 40,000 is equal to taka 3,00,000. This amount to be closed for proving the accounting equation, that is A is equal to L plus C. And next variable or second part you have to go in share capital and liability side. Only one head is available in this math, share capital. Totally 4 heads are available for share capital. Number 1, authorized capital, it's another name nominal capital, it's another name registered capital. In this math totally 50,000 shares that is authorized and taka 10 face value of share. So 50,000 into 10, that is the amount of taka 5,00,000 to be closed in middle column. Second head, issued and subscribed capital. Totally company issued 30,000 shares. So issued and subscribed capital is taka 30,000 shares into 10, that is the amount of taka 3,00,000 in middle column. This amount also to be closed. But paid up capital all time from subscribed capital you can take it taka 3,00,000. At first you have to write in middle column, then you can take it to outer column. So 3,00,000 total amount of capital and liabilities is taka 3,00,000. Dear students, you are watching in the content or in the slide totally 3,00,000 of asset and 3,00,000 of share capital and liabilities. It is proved, that is accounting equation A is equal to L plus E. Dear learners, I think you have written in your accounting copy in this math. So totally 3 lectures have gone for this chapter. 2 important maths or 2 important creative questions solved in previous and current lesson. So you can practice much and more at your home for your betterment. Okay, dear learners, thank you so much. Thanks for being today. Inshallah, I will take in next class another lesson for covering your syllabus. Okay, thank you so much.